Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up PayPal for an online business. First, navigate to the PayPal website and select Sign Up for free. Choose the Business Account option, which offers features tailored for merchants. You will need to enter your email address and create a secure password. Then, follow the prompts to provide your business legal name and contact details, ensuring accuracy for future transactions. Agree to the user agreement, and you are ready for the next step. Next, it is crucial to verify your business and bank details. Link your bank account by providing your routing and account numbers, then confirm small deposits PayPal sends to your bank. Upload necessary identification, such as a government-issued ID and proof of address, within a few days of creating your account. Finally, check your email inbox and click the verification link to activate your account fully, ensuring secure and unrestricted transactions. With your PayPal business account verified, you can now connect it to your online store. Navigate to your e-commerce platform's administrative panel and find the Payment Gateways or Payment Methods section. Select PayPal from the available options. You will be redirected to log into your PayPal account to authorize the connection. This process typically takes only a few minutes and will integrate seamlessly with your checkout process for your customers. Now that you are set up, managing your transactions is simple through your PayPal dashboard. Regularly monitor incoming payments, refunds, and outgoing transfers. Be aware of the transaction fees, which are typically around 2.9% plus 30 cents per domestic transaction, though international fees vary. Utilize the robust reporting tools to track your sales performance and financial health. This organized approach helps ensure smooth operation of your online business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.